Welcome to Sumatra Slim Belly affiliate page. A revolutionary new diet offer brought to you by seasoned industry professionals. With multiple number one offers and hundreds of millions in revenue, you can rest assured this will explode your ClickBank account with affiliate commissions. Huge payouts and effortless conversions. Now is the time to promote Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Send traffic and see for yourself why affiliates are calling this the best offer they have ever promoted. We pay you a whopping 85% commission per initial Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic sale, and with our unbelievable conversions rate, affiliates are seeing consistent $4+ EPCs. Customers love our products and we provide top quality customer support, meaning our refunds are super low. The weight loss niche is huge and shows no signs of slowing down, with top affiliates making $170,000 commission per day. From our biggest to our smallest affiliates, we reward you all with competitions and bonuses throughout the year. To upgrade your commission to our top tier of 85%, Revs Hair, please visit this link and fill out our quick form. CPA, cost per action, is also available for high volume affiliates. Please contact us for more details. You can now place your tracking pixels, such as Facebook, Yahoo, Google, Volume and more, directly in your ClickBank account. To get more information on how to use this service, visit their page here. Our high converting email swipes are perfect to send straight to your list and start earning commission today. Your affiliate links from the hop link generator above will be automatically inserted into the copy. For best results, please match the headline of the email with the correct headline in the hop link builder. Send to all unopened subscribers 24 hours after first send out. Please note, only send to opted-in subscribers. Do not spam or you will be permanently blacklisted from promoting our product. This bizarre blue tonic is the talk of TikTok, with scores of users crediting it for their weight loss success. By simply taking these capsules with water before bed, a 46-year-old mom of 3 from Kansas was able to liquefy 63 pounds of stubborn fat from her hips, arms, belly, and thighs that had plagued her for so long. Visit link below to find out all about it. This Oriental Blue Tonic melts fat overnight. An Indonesian scientist has revealed the real root cause of your stubborn belly fat, and it's not what you think. 95% of trial participants lost at least 25 pounds with this bizarre blue tonic ritual, and the average weight loss in the group was 53 pounds. Try this for yourself tonight. Oriental Blue Tonic melts fat as you sleep. Stop wasting time with fad diets and workout plans. Simply take 2 capsules of the Blue Tonic before bed and watch as the fat melts away by morning. Insert your name. Click on any image and it will open in a new window, then right-click Save As to download it onto your device. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic has been expertly optimized across all browsers and devices for maximum conversions. Oriental Blue Tonic melts 63 pounds of fat. Weird Blue Tonic melts fat overnight. How was a 46-year-old mom of 3 able to melt away 63 pounds of fat? Mom of 3 from Kansas liquefies 63 pounds of fat with Blue Tonic. Odd Blue Tonic erases belly fat. 95% of participants lost at least 25 pounds. The average weight loss in the group was 53 pounds. Exotic Blue Tonic chews through 63 pounds of fat. Exotic Root obliterates 63 pounds of wobbly flab. New scientific breakthrough destroys 63 pounds of thick flab. Dr. Stokes method drops 63 pounds. 5-second Blue Ritual activates 24/7 fat burning. Sumatra Tonic awakens metabolism and burns fat overnight. Weird Blue Tonic ritual melts 63 pounds of fat. Mysterious Blue Tonic liquefies fat cells into nothing. Strange Blue Tonic recipe melts fat. Oriental Blue Tonic liquefies fat overnight. Oriental Blue Tonic. Weird Blue Tonic. Exotic Blue Tonic. Mysterious Blue Tonic. Sumatra Blue Tonic. Sumatra Tonic. Dr. Stokes method. Dr. Stokes 5-second ritual. 5-second evening ritual. Blue evening tonic. Blue Tonic ritual. Blue recipe. Evil plant. Exotic root. Exotic plant. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at affiliates@sumatratonic.com. We look forward to having you on board. ClickBank. 1 each participant in the affiliate program offered by Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, the vendor, Currently through ClickBank, the retailer expressly agrees to this affiliate agreement. 2. Affiliate advertising must not include content that is deceptive, misleading, untruthful, unsubstantiated, or otherwise fails to comply with applicable national, federal, and state consumer protection laws, regulations, and guidelines. 3. Affiliates are forbidden from creating web pages, social media pages or accounts that falsely represent themselves as the creators or owners of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic and must make it clear that the page is an advertisement and that you are being compensated for any sales generated from it. 4. It is strictly forbidden to mention any type of disease in your marketing. You may not imply that Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic cures or treats anything. 5. Absolutely no negative or scare marketing tactic is permitted. No negatively worded or titled reviews or videos are allowed. This includes any use of the words scam, exposed or similar. 6. Any kind of email spam is strictly prohibited. Emails should be sent only to people who have opted in and should be fully CAN-SPAM compliant at all times. 7. You may not copy, transcribe, paraphrase, reproduce or otherwise use in any format any video or part of video found on this website. Nor may you use before or after photos found on this website or found within any videos on this website. 8. Any and all images found on this website are the property of this website and are copyright protected. They may only be used by affiliates in the promotion of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Any other use is strictly prohibited. 9. Affiliates may not directly send customers to a checkout page. All customers must go through the proper hop links to the landing pages on this website. 10. Affiliates may not bid on any search terms that contain the word Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, or any variations thereof, on any search engine. Nor may you advertise prices other than the standard prices offered by the vendor, or offer any type of bonuses/incentives for purchasing through your affiliate link. 11. You are not permitted to promote Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic on retail sites, auction sites, or app stores such as Amazon, eBay, Google Store, iTunes, or any other site that falls into these categories, in any way, shape, or form. This includes products created by you or by us. As well, selling products branded with the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic brand on Craigslist, Kijiji, or any other classified ad network is forbidden. 12. Affiliate agrees to indemnify, defend, and hold harmless Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic from any lawsuits, investigations, claims, or complaints arising from any such violation or alleged violation of the terms above. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic shall not be responsible to approve any affiliate ads. Compliance is solely with the affiliate, and the affiliate represents and warrants that it shall have legal review of all affiliate ads for all necessary and required compliance. Affiliates take full responsibility for their advertising. 13. This bonus offer has been created by the applicable seller and not by ClickBank. Accordingly, ClickBank is not responsible for any information contained in the offer, including, but not limited to, any product information, promotions, incentives, expected returns, or other information contained herein. In addition, ClickBank is not responsible for any links to third-party websites in conjunction with this offer. Such links do not imply any endorsement by ClickBank of such websites or the content, products, or services available from such websites. By clicking on or accessing a third-party website listed, you acknowledge sole responsibility for and assume all risk arising from your use of any such websites.